If you struggle with nail art designs or it just takes way too much time for you, you need to watch this tutorial. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Sharnique and I'm back with another nail at home tutorial for the girlies. I'm so hyped for this video, so let's just get into it. So this video is brought to you by Maniology, and we're gonna just do a quick unboxing of all the goodies that I got. So they sent me some stamping kits that I'm so hyped over, because look at these designs. I'm so hyped. They also sent me some different polishes and all that good stuff. It came with directions and the guide. It came with the scraper, girl. It came with everything that you will need to achieve this nail look. So this is my old set. As you can see, your girl has some nail art. So we're gonna drill that off and go ahead and prep and get our nails ready for the new set. Now, if you watch some of my nail tutorials, I've mentioned that I be wanting to do some dope nail art on myself, but let's be real, it takes so much time. Like, I can do it, but girl, I be lazy sometimes. And with this technique, this is the quickest nail set that I have ever done on myself, y'all. It's lit. So I'm just prepping my nails. We're still rocking with the almond shape. And if you don't know, I have a builder set on. So I have a builder gel on my nails. I did give myself a little fill in. So yeah, now let's get into the stamps. Okay, they sent me 4 and I'm just trying to decide which one I want to go with. Like, what am I feeling? This one was so cute because it had like all the Picasso art on it. It was so fly. I'm gonna use the blue and the white stamping polish. Now, I'm not sure if you can do regular polish or gel polish, but I'm using what they sent me. So yeah, so we're starting with the blue polish. I'm only going to paint 3 of my fingers blue, and then the 2 middle fingers are going to be white. Now listen, I have not painted with regular nail polish in forever, y'all. Like, I'm not gonna lie, I had to like repaint a few of my nails over because I was trying to paint it like I would do with gel polish, and I totally forgot you cannot do that with regular polish. Okay, you cannot paint it like how you would paint it with like a gel polish. So yeah, I had to do a few of my nails over. But the good thing I will say when it comes to using regular polish is that it's easy to remove. All you need is pure acetone and you can just remove it. You can change your color quickly, because sometimes I don't always feel like drilling my gel polishes off. So I do love that about regular nail polish. It'll be easier for me to change out my nails quicker, because I'm not gonna lie, I dread the whole entire nail process from trying to drill the old set off and all of that. But with regular polish, I could just take some pure acetone, wipe it, swipe that baby on there, and just quickly give myself a quick feel, touch up, and then go on about my day. Like, overall, this process just saves me so much time. So I'm cool with it. I'm cool with it because I like to change my nails out a lot, and if I can find a method that's easier and quicker for me, I'm gonna do it. Okay, I'm gonna do it every time. And another thing that I love so much about this brand is that this is a beginner friendly nail type of kit. Okay, like, you don't have to be an expert to do this. You can just get the polish, paint your nails, let it dry, and stamp the design on. Everybody is not an artist. Everybody cannot draw, and everybody doesn't have the patience to sit and draw on their nails. So this is just such a beginner friendly way. Like, it's literally no excuses on why you're walking around and your nails is not done. Like, this is so beginner friendly, y'all. Like, come on, be for real. So I'm just excited to just explore more into this kit and try different designs and just really have fun with my nails moving forward. Like, I'm so hyped because nails, like nail art for me, just got 10 times easier and quicker. Okay, and I'm just so hyped about that. So moving forward, once I'm done painting and just touching up my nails, this is how it looks. Now, I did let it dry before moving to the stamping kit. So this is the stamping kit I decided to go with. It has different animal prints on it. It has cheetah, zebra, leopard. It has giraffe. It's so cute. I think this is the one that is like a peacock type of print, if I'm not mistaken, but that's the one I decided to go with. So I'm going to take my blue polish and I'm just going to apply a little bit halfway. I'm going to take my scraping tool and just spread that product across, and I'm going to take my stamping little stamper here, and I'm just going to roll that on there. And this is how it looks on the little stamping tool, and I am going to press that on my nail, y'all. Easy peasy beautiful, okay? And yes, it's going to get on top of your nail. All you're going to do is just take some pure acetone and clean around your nail. I've also seen people use tape as well too, so tape can get it off as well, but I'm going to use some pure acetone, and I'm taking my time because I don't want to mess up my actual nail. And this is how it looks. It's not perfect because it's my first try, but yeah, it came out so cute. I'm using pure acetone to clean it off of the kit, and that's how you would clean it. And I'm going to do the second nail. So the same thing, halfway, I'm taking my scraping tool. We're going to glide that across there. I did go back over it and glide it across one more time. And I think I should have did that. I should have did that the first time because I think I was supposed to do it like that. And I'm going to take my stamping tool, roll it on there, and I'm going to apply it to the second nail. And voila, I feel like the second nail came out way better, y'all. Way better. Because the first one was a little patchy. It was the first try, of course, the first nail. But the second one definitely came out way better. I'm using the pure acetone to clean it up. And this is how it looks. And it looks so good. Now, this is the top coat. I'm going to take the top coat. I did let my nails dry before applying the top coat. So I'm going to take the top coat and just paint over my nails. And another thing that I do love is how fast the polish dries, y'all. Like, luckily I was not waiting so long in between, you know, the dry time for my nails to dry. It dried pretty quickly, so I do love that. So I did let my nails fully dry because I wanted to wash off that extra paint that was still on my skin, and also apply my cuticle oil. But overall, this is the final look, y'all. Oh my gosh, this was the easiest and quickest nail set I've ever done, and I love it for my first time. I feel like it came out so good. So don't forget to check down below in my description box for all of the details. Leave some comments down below. Let me know y'all's thoughts. Like this video because you know it helped your girl out a lot. Thank y'all so much for watching. I really hope y'all enjoyed this nail tutorial, and I will see y'all in my next video.